Hey there! Welcome to English Tips by Axcel International Academy. In today's video, we're going to be talking about comparatives. But before we get started, let's take a look at something over here. Here we have Superman. And over here, we have a very smart girl who knows English grammar. So Superman says, "I am more strong than you." And the girl replies, "You mean stronger? So, who's right?" Well, we're about to find out. You see, Superman doesn't know about comparatives. This is a tool that we use with adjectives to describe the extent of that adjective. For example, how big something is or how strong someone is. In order to get into the rules, we have to talk about syllables. This is the number of times that you hear the sound of a vowel in a word. And this will be important when picking which rule to use. So, a one-syllable word would be something like big. You hear one I sound. 2 syllables, happy, we hear an A sound and a Y sound. And 3 syllables would be something like expensive, which has 2 E sounds and an I sound. So let's get into the rules. For one-syllable words, in most cases, all you have to do is add ER. For example, the word small becomes smaller, old becomes older. That means more small or more old. If the word already ends in an E, just add R. For example, safer or nicer. And lastly, if the word ends in a consonant plus a vowel plus another consonant, like the word big, you just double the last consonant and add ER. So big becomes bigger with 2 G's and hot becomes hotter with 2 T's. Now, let's take a look at the rule for 2-syllable words. If the word's ending in Y, you just have to remove the Y and then add IER. For example, the word happy becomes happier, and the word noisy becomes noisier. Now for everything else, the good news is there's only one rule left. You add the word more before the adjective. For example, more expensive or more interesting. So I guess Superman was wrong. He should have said, "I'm stronger than you." Like what you learned? Sign up today for intensive English classes at Axcel Academy. Go to www.axcelacademy.com or look us up on Facebook. Until then, goodbye.